Welcome to ArtMagic.
Gather your drawing materials, paper, pencil, eraser, and crayons. Draw a curved line for the mouth, giving your frog a smiling expression. Begin by drawing an oval shape for the frog's body in the center of the paper. This will be the frog's main body. Add small oval shapes at the end of each leg to create the frog's feet. Also, draw curved lines to create the frog's belly. Draw wavy lines at the bottom of the paper to represent the edge of the pond. Add 2 large circles for the eyes at the top of the body. Inside each eye, draw smaller circles for the pupils. Add some lily pads by drawing circles or ovals on the water's surface. Draw some wavy lines around the lily pads to show ripples in the water. This will add a realistic touch to your pond. Color your drawing using green for the frog's body and legs. Use shades of green and brown for the lily pads and a combination of blue and green for the pond. Feel free to add other colors for extra details like flowers or dragonflies. Once the coloring is complete, outline the main features of the frog and pond with a darker pencil or marker to make them stand out. Congratulations! You've drawn a cute frog in a pond. Feel free to add your own creative touches or decorations to make it even more unique. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring. By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.